Now that the system is all set up, let's talk about themes. Let's make a theme really quick. And a theme is you want the lights to be, for Halloween, it wants to be amber and purple. Or you want them to be, for Christmas, you want them to be warm, red, whatever it is. So that's what I'm talking about with themes. So we're going to go to Themes and Colors. And we are going to create a new theme. And the first thing I'm going to do is name it. I'm just going to name it Test. And then from here we have our 6 channels. So what this does is this is the first wave of colors it's going to be. And if we were to populate this second row of channels and this third row, then it's going to fade between this theme to this theme to this theme. So let's create our first. Let's do red. Let's do warm. Let's just do like a candy cane theme here. It's red, warm, red, and warm. So that means that that's how the panel or the channels are going to go on the roof line. So if we were to save it, then that's exactly what it's going to do. But let's go ahead and create a second row. Let's do blue and winter white, blue, winter white, blue, and winter white. Now you can see that the fade speed has been activated. We're going to take that and we're going to fade it between 5 seconds. And we're going to go ahead and save this. And it is saved. And now we're going to, again, it hasn't made that active. We just created the theme. That's why we're still showing red. So let's go ahead and make that active. We're going to go to our test. We're going to select that. And again, the controller is sending the app is sending signal to the controller. The controller is telling the bulbs what to do. They have received their signal. They've gone green. The controller now is going to shut off and then turn back on to what we've asked them to do. And there we go.